imToken Crypto Staking Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to imToken are in the description. imToken is a well-established multi-currency wallet with built-in staking features, designed to provide users with a secure and intuitive way to stake their assets. Ideal for both beginners and experienced users, imToken stands out due to its user-friendly interface and support for multiple blockchains, including Ethereum, Polkadot, Tezos, Cosmos, and Trons, among others. This makes it an excellent choice for users who want a simple, all-in-one platform to manage both their cryptocurrency holdings and staking activities. One of the key features of imToken is its seamless integration with decentralized finance (DeFi) protocols and its ability to stake assets directly from the wallet. The platform allows you to easily delegate your tokens to trusted validators with just a few taps, making it perfect for those who want to earn staking rewards without dealing with complex setups. Whether you're staking ETH, Atom, or DOT, the staking process is straightforward, and rewards are automatically credited to your wallet on a regular basis. The wallet also prioritizes security, providing features like backup recovery and encrypted key storage, ensuring that your funds remain safe. Additionally, imToken supports both mobile and desktop versions, so you can stake and manage your crypto assets from anywhere at any time. imToken is perfect for users who need a reliable, multi-chain wallet that simplifies staking and provides access to a wide range of assets and networks. It's great for both seasoned crypto enthusiasts and newcomers, thanks to its balance of ease of use and powerful features. If you're looking to stake and manage multiple assets without juggling different platforms, imToken is definitely worth considering. Check out the links in the description to get started today.